So today we'll be doing something a little bit different. It's not as scientific as things we've done in the past, but it's a fun game with Carbon Health that we're calling Not a Swan or Swan-DUH, and I think I'll let the game explain itself. So let's go ahead and get started. Not a swan. Snow goose. Swan. Swan-DUH. 2 for 2. Swan-DUH. Oh, come on.
It's a human.
Swan-DUH. Not a swan. Napkin. Not a swan. Not a swan.
Can you name what it is though?
I cannot.
Samsonite?
Harry Swanson in Dumb and Dumber.
You're way up.
I was.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Not a swan. Not a swan, but a swan dive. Not a swan, but a Swan-DUH.